shaky, but it's okay.
Hi, dog.
Okay, y'all. We are 2 days out from Olivia's party, and this is what we're working with. Ignore. In our defense, we're just getting started. And I know it looks interesting, like with the floor transition and the cement flooring, but honestly, that's how it's gonna stay for a bit because we didn't want to put the flooring in a rush. We're gonna put cricket vinyl on the mirror, so it'd be cool to take pictures against the backdrop. We're gonna add a balloon arch and garland. We're putting this vinyl for the mirror. We did this for the Halloween party too, and it turned out so cute. Olivia inventando. And then the arches that we still need to paint. We're working on it. Head of the planning committee. We have a lot of balloons on the bed. Got another one of these. Okay, just quick update because it's been a while. We're nowhere near done, but it's fine. Lovely, lovely party planning committee painted the arches. Cannot take credit for that. We're trying to set this up. Still a work in progress. Then we cleared out the living room. 2 of the arches are already here. We're just waiting for that one to fully dry. Olivia's taking a nap. We have the time capsule here. We're gonna put French over here. Things are still looking messy, but it's fine. The ante of the year. Arches have been put. We just need the cricket vinyl. We have this for, I told you we did last year. It's like a time capsule. It's so cute to see. And then we'll do the second year over here. Katie did it. Oh, this was mine. We're gonna put here the guess the sex of the baby because we're also doing the gender reveal. We have this little backdrop that'd be cute. For more pictures. We're gonna do a Delulu LLC debrief. We don't need debrief. It's called We Saw What We Did Last Year. We're gonna do better. We've learned so much. Mostly that little skinny balloons are your best friend, no matter the theme. Yeah. Oh my god, look at the difference. Oh, I need to show you my bum. Hold on. The briefing is done. I know it's only gonna get so much bigger. But look at that. Isn't that crazy? Oh god. I mean, in my defense, I just ate McDonald's, but I don't know what I'm wearing tomorrow. These 2 are just being, they're wilding out. What are you doing? This looks like a labor and delivery class. Let's show them our progress. The arches that have been ready since yesterday. Mommy. Yes? What do you think about the balloonies? Okay, quickly, Olivia's in a mood. We have the vinyl put in, a few more stars. This has been ready for days. The Polaroid wall, this is last year, so I think I showed you all this yesterday. Then we have this. We did the exact same thing for Olivia for our gender reveal with her. So I thought it'd be cute to do the same. We have the bows and then the glasses. I'm gonna do a TikTok. And then I put some of the cupcakes with the toppers. We need to fill these up with popcorn. We have ring pops. We have the cookies from yesterday. I think I showed you all those too. Then these are the cookies I made just to have more Rice Krispies. This is for the cake, plates, things. This is not ready, but I wanted to show y'all now. And then the food is gonna go over here in the island, also not ready. Pink one, we are gonna add a few more stars, organize the little goodie bags, and then the kids bags, not that many kids. And then over here it just says have a blast because this is where people are gonna come in. And yeah, stressing, I'm excited. So, and the gifts are gonna go in the fireplace. I feel like I'm just showing you all the same stuff over and over again, but I think we're almost done. Did I show you all the cake? I don't think so. We have the cake. The person that did her cake last year is the same person that did it. Link her Instagram below. So talented. She also made the cookies. So cute. And we just have my cookies. I already showed you all this table. But let me show you from over here. So cute, and Bolt is over there. Ignore the floor. Obviously nothing I can do about that. It's so cute. Right.
Where do you want the hook? Oh, like the piñata be like here in the center.
Maybe a little bit off-centered, I guess. And not that to the left. Like, see, so we can see that. Yeah. I'm just putting the hook for the piñata. I have. I guess I need to change. I'm just wearing this dress right now, but y'all, I'm bumping hard. I'm freaking out. I need to fix my makeup. I feel like it looks kind of weird. Okay. So we're in out. Say, Olivia, how old are you?
Beauty salon.
How old are you? I don't know why I look at it for too long, but the gender reveal piñata's here. Not stressed, not stressed at all. Maybe like tallish and then we can lower it because I'm scared that someone would just pull it.
Yeah, oh, no.
Like a kid or something.
Chest, maybe? Yeah.
Right there?
There. That's good,
Yeah.
yeah. And then that way you can still pull it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so it's the next day. Everyone was right. Baby Gabino's sleeping. So almost everyone was right. I'm so excited because I get to put all of this next to Olivia's. Gabino's sleeping. My cousin is babysitting her best friend's baby. And I'm just cleaning up the confetti. And we're about to have a family debrief for the vlog. It's the next day, like I said. And we're gonna do a family debrief because, as y'all know, it's a boy. And I have never been more shocked in my entire life. I would have bet money that the confetti was gonna come out pink, but everything was very pink. I was shocked. I feel like all day yesterday didn't register. I don't know if it still has. Hi, Marley. Is it hola vlog again? Can mommy have some stars? And then share your feelings with the vlog. How was yesterday?
It was very good. Everybody was lifted. I was very anxious.
Anxious about the reveal?
Yeah,
or about
the
the
reveal
party?
in general. No. I mean, I know the party is but
Come here. Are you excited about having a baby brother?
the gender reveal was anxious.
Yeah, we were stressed.
It's just finding out, I guess.
Hi, Steve. Cheese. Anyway, Olivia is already having only child syndrome. Like I said, my cousin is babysitting her best friend's baby, and I tried holding him this morning. Olivia threw a fit. So we're gonna have a real fun time getting her ready for this.
Yeah.
But let's talk about the fact that we cannot agree on a single name.
Because I'm naming the child.
No, you're not, babe. The delusion. Y'all
You're
know.
delusional.
You know what's crazy? No, I have been delusional. I made a whole ass video.
Mama.
Yes, Worley, come here.
Daddy.
You won your sunglasses?
Mommy, you put the dog.
Thank you so much for cleaning up, baby. I made a whole video with like 20 baby girl names. all useless right now. I'm still not gonna say what we would potentially name a girl just in case for the next one. but we have no inclination of what this baby will become. So that's gonna be a real fun. What? We're gonna have a real fun time deciding that, but we are very excited. Contrary to popular belief, I'm very excited.
I'm very, very excited. I love it.
You love what?
It's very exciting.
It is exciting, but it's different. It's like with girls, we know what we're doing now, but with a boy, I kind of don't. Like he has 3 brothers. Like, I don't think it's easier at all.
Yes, it is.
No, I don't think so. But like, oh, well, the crazier part is that 6 of my friends are pregnant, including my cousin. I can finally say that. And everyone before I knew was having boys. Like everyone's ahead of me in pregnancy, so everyone already knows that they're having boys. So I was like, it'd be crazy if I'm the tiebreaker, I break, you know, the boy thing. But no. So now everyone, I'll put a picture of the bump picture with Olivia. Like she's literally just in her own world right now. Well, anyway, everyone's having boys, which is wild, and they're all due November, December, January, February, and March. Me, but hopefully February. Olivia, can you talk to the people and tell them what you think about being a big sissy? Are you gonna be so nice to your little brother?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice.
Are you gonna teach him how to talk?
Are you gonna tell them all the songs?
Cheese.
Are you gonna read them some books?
What about books? Are you gonna read books?
Yeah.
Oh, which one's your favorite book?
Is it Chica Chica Boom Boom?
Yeah.
Well, anyway, we are shook, to say the least. I feel like Dante wanted a boy, but he wouldn't tell me because he didn't want to jinx it, and y'all know I wanted a girl. But now I think Dante can happily say he definitely wanted a boy. Right.
Oh, definitely 100%.
So, for all of you who
Believe in Jason.
have boys and get upset that I only post girly clothes, it's coming.
It'll be easier.
I will find the cute boy clothes. If not, I will make boy clothes because I refuse to put him in like ugly baby boy clothes. It's like, my mommy thinks I'm handsome.
Like anime, Star Wars.
Anyway, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching, and I will be in touch with y'all soon about baby boy names because the struggle is about to be real. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here for yet another journey. Can you say bye-bye to the vlog? Come over here and say, bye vlog. Thanks for coming to my birthday party. Un besito.
Bye, vlog.
Oh, you're so cute.
See you, vlog.
I'll see you vlog. You want to open more gifts?
Yeah.
Okay.